Hello friends, welcome to my channel online learning website. Today we discuss the objective questions of non-metals and their compounds. Those are very important for you upcoming examination perspective. The first question, hydrogen was discovered by. The right answer is A. What is the right answer is? The first hydrogen was discovered by. The right answer is A. Cavendish. The next question, the name hydrogen was proposed by. The right answer is C, that is Levizor. Question number third, how many neutrons are there in protium? The right answer is A, that is 0. Question number 4, hydrogen forms. The right answer is D, all of these yani hydrogen forms covalent hydrides, ionic hydrides and metallic hydrides. Question number 5, PS3 is an example of. PS3 is an example of. Right answer is B, that is your covalent hydride. Right answer is covalent hydride. Next question, question number 6. The temperature at which heavy water was maximum. The temperature at which heavy water was has maximum. The right answer is 6 ka B, that is 11.6 degrees Celsius. Question number 7. How many protons are there in deuterium is? 7th ka B, that is 1. How many protons are there in deuterium is 1. Question number 8. Water is an. The right answer is D, that is neutral oxide. Question 9. Tritium, an isotope of hydrogen emits. The right answer is 9 ka C, that is -1 beta 0. Question number 10. Decomposition of H2O is favored by. The right answer is 10 ka A, that is MnO. Question number 11. Heavy water is used as. The right answer is D, moderator. Question number 12. Heavy water freeze as. The right answer is B, 3.8 degrees Celsius. Question number 13. Electromagnetic wave coming out of the nucleus of a natural radioactive atom is. The right answer is C, gamma ray. Question number 14. Hydrogen peroxide does not act as a. The right answer is B, base. Question number 15. Hydrogen peroxide decompose to give. C, O2 and H2O. Question number 16. The percentage by weight of hydrogen in H2O2 is. The right answer is 16 ka B, that is 5.68. Question number 17. The process used for removal of hardness of water is. 17 ka C, that is Caglon. Question number 18. Water softening by Clark's process uses. The right answer is C, that is your calcium hydroxide. Question 19. Which of the following could act as a propellant for rocket is. The right answer is 19 to C, liquid hydrogen plus liquid oxygen. Question number 20. The color of hydrogen is. The answer is D, colorless. Question 21. Which of the following produce hydrolith with dihydrogen? The answer is 21 ka D, that is your calcium. Question 22. The isotope of hydrogen which is a radioactive. That is A, that is your titanium. Question number 13, 23. The fusion or product of tritium is. The D, that is 2He3. Question 24. The velocity of neutrons in nuclear reactor is slowed down by. A, heavy water, T2O. 25. Temporary hardness of a water is due to the presence of. A, magnesium bicarbonate. Question 26. In contact process, the gas produced is. The right answer is 26 ka C, that is your sulfur trioxide. Question number 27. Which of one of the following removes temporary hardness of water? The right answer is A, slack time. slagged lime. Question 28. The formula of sodium zeolite which is used in a permuted process for softening water is. Right answer is A. Na2O Al2O3 SiO2 into H2O. Question 29. High dipole moment of water bracket में 1.03 d justify that. The right answer is A. It is not a linear molecule. Question 30. The credit of discovery of hydrogen peroxide goes to. The right answer is that B. That is Baer-Renard. Question 31. Which gas is evolved when H2O2 reacts with chlorine? The right answer is 31 का B. That is your O2. Question number 32. Which has the covalent polymeric structure? The right answer is D. That is both A and B यानी BeS2 और MgS2. Question number 33. Silicon exhibit diagonal relationship with. The right answer is B. That is P. Capital P. Question 34. Which of the following metals exhibits similarly in properties of aluminium? The right answer is B. That is beryllium Be. Question 35. Which of the following exhibits inert pair effect? The right answer is C. Ti. Question 36. An aqueous solution of borax is. The right answer is 36 का D. That is alkaline. 37. Which of the following is an acid? That is A. BOH का whole thrice. 38. Which of the following compounds is formed in the borax bread test? A. Metal metaborate. Question number 39. Cryolite is a mineral used for extraction of. The right answer is 39 का C. That is aluminium. Question 40. Sapphire is a mineral of. The right answer D. Aluminium. Question 41. Which one is called inorganic benzene या borazole? The right answer is D. B3N3S6. Question 42. Which one is the most abundant on the earth crust? A. Aluminium. Question 43. The chief one of aluminium is. That answer is D. That is bauxite. Next question. Which of the following metals are extracted by electrolytic reaction method? A. Aluminium. Question 45. Which is the process used for purifications of bauxites are containing silicates as impurity? The right answer is 45 का D. That is your Serpax process. Question 46. Corynodism is. The right answer is 46 का P. That is Al2O3. Question 47. Amphoteric oxide is /R. The right answer is 47 का A. That is Al2O3. Question 48. Aluminium appears like gold when it is mixed with. 48 का A. That is 90% copper. Question 49. Duralium alloy consists of a. The right answer is D. Aluminium, magnesium, manganese and copper. 50. Anhydrous aluminum chloride gives fumes in moist air because it. The right answer is D. Readily hydrolyzed. Anhydrous aluminum chloride is used as a catalyst in. The right answer is 51 का. That is your T is Friedel-Crafts reaction. The name of Levizor is associated with the gas A. Oxygen. Question 53. Alum is a. The right answer is B. A double salt. Alum is a double salt. Question 54. C. The alum used for purifying water is potash alum. Next question, question 55. Match the following. Synthesis of ammonia. 55 का राइट आंसर है A. यानी फर्स्ट का ए यानी सिंथेसिस ऑफ अमोनिया, हाइब्रिड प्रोसेस, प्यूरिफिकेशन ऑफ टाइटेनियम वॉन आर्कल मैथड एंड मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ कॉस्टिक सोडा कास्टनर कैलिनॉर प्रोसेस और प्यूरिफिकेशन ऑफ बॉक्साइट इज द होप प्रोसेस। क्वेश्चन 56, एल्युमिनियम रिएक्ट विद कॉस्टिक सोडा टू फॉर्म, द राइट आंसर इज 56 का that is your A, sodium meta aluminate. 57, S3BO3 is, the right answer is C, monobasic and weak bromonested acid. Question 58, inorganic graphite is, the right answer is A, B3N3. Question 59, heating an aqueous solution of a aluminum chloride to dryness will give D, Al2Cl6. Question 60, alum is a water purifier because it, the right answer is 60 ka D, that it destroy the pathogenic bacteria. 61, the element which shows the least metallic character is C, boron. Question 62, boron behave as a non-metal. Question 63, the element that makes the paper like lead is, the right answer is 63 ka A, that is Ti. Question 64, which of the following is not an ore of boron? The right answer is 64 ka B, that is feldspar. Question 65, boron halides behave as a Lewis space because of their, the right answer is 65 ka A, that is your electron deficient nature. Question 66, which is not a correctly match? The right answer is 66 ka C, that is kernite Na2B4O6.3S2. Question 67, the structure of boric acid is, the right answer is C, that is your trigonal planar. The next question, question 68, which of the following is used for making bulletproof vests? The right answer is 68 ka C, that is boron carbide. Question 69, which of the following is an alloy of aluminium? Right answer is D, yani magnesium and deuterium. Question 70, the reducing agent in thermite process is C, that is aluminum. Question 71, which of the following is known as a pseudoalum? The right answer is 71 ka, that is your A, yani K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 dot 24S2. Thanks for watching, sharing.